In Asia, plain steamed rice is more than just a side. It's the soul of the meal. Light, fluffy, and comforting. It pairs with everything. That's why knowing how to cook a perfect pot of rice matters so much. Today, we're not using a rice cooker. In fact, I don't even have one at home. We're using a regular pot on a stovetop, and you'll still get beautifully cooked rice with no sticking. First, rinse your rice twice with clean water. After rinsing, use your finger to check the water level. It should be about the same as the rice level, so a 1-to-1 ratio. Bring it to a boil on high heat. It takes about 2-3 minutes, so keep an eye on it. Once boiling, reduce the heat to around medium-high. On my stove, that's 7 out of 9, and cook for 5 minutes. Give the pot a gentle shake, then lower the heat to medium, around 5, and cook another 5 minutes. By now, most of the water should be absorbed. Turn the heat down again to low, 3, and cook for another 5 minutes. Finally, lower it to the minimum, 1, and let it steam for 10 minutes with the lid on. If you're not in a rush, the longer steaming makes the texture even better. Turn off the heat and let the rice sit until you're ready to serve. You'll be greeted with fluffy, fragrant rice that doesn't stick to the pot. No rice cooker needed. Try this method next time and you'll be amazed. What you need is white rice, Japanese short grain or Thai jasmine rice, 150 grams, water 150 milliliters, or adjust according to the type of rice. In calories is approximately 130 kilocalories per 100 grams of cooked white rice. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia.